Hey, I am Manisha and welcome back to my channel Nisha Reviews. Hope you guys are doing well. Here on my channel, I review many products which are helpful in everyone's day-to-day life. So today, let's dive into another tool which lets you create seamless ads and customize them according to your need. Have you ever wondered how to turn $10 into $100 without wasting a cent? Let's be real, wasting on ads sucks. The old way of running ads is broken. Poor targeting, no optimization, guesswork everywhere. But here comes a tool that can change all of this. Advertmate, where AI handles all the heavy lifting. It creates ads, tests variations and scales winners without breaking a sweat. This is not theory. It's an automation that works. Be one of the first to profit from the smartest ad tool of 2025. So what exactly is Advertmate? Advertmate is world's first and only all-in-one paid ads suite that lets you create, launch, optimize and monetize ads across every single social and paid ads network in one single suite. So you can create ad for Facebook, Insta, TikTok, Bing, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, YouTube and many other platforms. You can manage all your ads with this tool and optimize them. In short, you're only spending money where it works. And thanks to the advancement of AI, Advertmate gets smarter every single day when more ads are flooded. It constantly improves type and quality of the ads that you go out. So it creates, launch, optimize and eventually monetize the ads for you. It removes the need to open different ads manager on different tabs which messes your work. Advertmate simply creates ads that win every single time, no matter if you even created an ad for a first time. If your ad cost feel like a black hole sucking up your profits, you are not alone. Let Advertmate your ad results into 5x. You can cut your ad cost by more than 200%, increase your return on ad spend by 5 times, eliminate all the guesswork. That's exactly what Advertmate does. It's not just smarter ad, it's fully automated result. AI creates, tests and scales high converting ads. You save hours of work every week. Your profits skyrocket while your costs plummet. This is what the top 1% are doing. Now you can too. So how Advertmate works? Well, it's easy. You select your ad goal and concept, and Advertmate provides the best type of ad types and platform to run your ad based on what the user's goals are. It will choose the best type of ads for your goal on each network for you to select. Then you can create an ad and its AI can create every single part of the ad, from the body text, headlines, calls to action, along with unlimited split test. You don't have to write even a single ad if you don't want to. Now let's talk about ad targeting. The same goes for targeting. Advertmate will give recommendation on who to target based on the goals of the advertiser for both interest, geographical and demographic targeting. Once the ad is ready, you can simply send the ad live with any split test created and manage it directly from your dashboard, removing the need for you to have an ads manager open for every platform. Finally, Advertmate will help you optimize your ads, checking every minute of the day in real time how your ads are going, what ads are working with the best and what platform are getting the best result, so you can ensure you are only running ads where you get the best return from. Have you ever wondered how some people rack up thousands of likes on TikTok overnight? The secret is not luck, it's leverage. And with Advertmate, you can leverage free and credits to go viral without spending a dime. Start sending your post viral now. You can use TikTok's free credit offers, let AI design and launch scroll stopping ads and watch your post surge in views, likes and shares. This is how beginners look like professionals. So some of Advertmate key features are one platform, multiple channel. Advertmate combines all your advertising channel into a single powerful platform, manage, optimize and scale campaign across Facebook, Google, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, LinkedIn and Pinterest from one dashboard. Generates high converting and creative in second with our AI. Create images, videos and copy across all platforms and formats. AI powered system analyzes performance and automatically adjusts campaign to maximize ROI across all platforms. It contains thousands of ad, images and banner templates. In short, one platform, 8 ad networks. So is Advertmate worth it? Definitely. If you are tired managing your ads on different platforms, I highly recommend trying it. You can check out the link below to explore Advertmate for yourself, and if you found this helpful, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you.